today's video, let us unbox a package which I have received from Amazon. It has got the Philips T-Beamer, which is a Wi-Fi supported smart bulb I have ordered for my home network, which I'm going to be using with the Amazon Alexa. I got it for around 1400 rupees on an offer. The MRP of this product is 2300. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it and subscribe to the channel.